Hi guys, I feel like I'm vlogging after a really long time. This vlog is going to be really fun because it's Jay's birthday tomorrow. Getting ready to go meet his sister. Then we are going to go and get a few things for the decor and everything. By the way, can you guys believe it? This has to be my, I don't know, like fourth bottle. I'm in the shade 130 if you guys are wondering. 130 why. I really like this foundation. It's very skin like. This is his third birthday that we are celebrating together. Usually we book like a villa or something like that, but this year it's pretty low-key, as I don't know if I've mentioned it on the channel, but he lost his father last year in June. So yeah, it has been a pretty difficult year, and for him especially, and for his family overall, there have been a lot of ups and downs. Emotionally, it has been a very taxing year. He did tell me that he wants to keep it very low-key, but I still wanted to make it as special as possible, since I already know that it has been a difficult year for him, and at least like this one day he can just be himself, chill, and not to worry about anything. That's my makeup for tonight. Tell you what, like I remember the very first time when I got my very first salary, I wanted to get something for everyone, and I took my dad to the store and I was like, you know what, buy whatever you feel like because I just want to make you feel special. And then he's like, yeah, and he got a bunch of things, but I remember at the end of our shopping spree he told me that nobody has ever done this for him. I mean, obviously my mom was also a working woman, so she must have gotten him things, but my dad was like, this has never happened, like nobody has done this for me, where the person has been like, oh, you can buy whatever. And that moment I hold so close to my heart. Men usually go through so many things in their lives, and most of the times they don't even talk about it. There are like so many silent battles that they are fighting, and we should really do our best or do our bit to just make them feel special as much as possible, because usually I think a lot of responsibility and there are like a lot of expectations from men. You know what they say, the man has to treat his woman like a queen, but I think it's also the woman's responsibility to treat the man as a king. Just a two-way thing, and when you do that, I think what comes out is extremely like a healthy relationship. So got ready and I'm wearing this really nice outfit because I know there's going to be a lot of tam jam, so this is perfect when I'm going to do all the bhaga dori that needs to be done today. I also plan on making a greeting card, so yeah, I'm actually really excited. The people around us are like a lot more excited for our birthdays than what we are. I think that's just the vibe always. Like I'm never happy or excited around my birthday, but like people around me would be like, it's your birthday, it's your birthday. Trying my level best to not overshop because it's very difficult to not buy everything. Everything is just so cute. Such tall people.
Shola Bhatt असं म्हणते की जय दुधाणे इज लाईक अ क्रॅब, जो बाहेरून असं कडक आहे आणि आतून असं सॉफ्ट आहे.
But I think it makes so much.
So cringe. These two are so cringe. So
I feel love is such a thing, na? Like we find it cringe when other people do it, but when it happens to you, like oh, look at you. What is that? Mudra.
ते नाचून दाखव.
See a mirror painting, they've painted it. Guys, you can come here and like paint at just 49 rupees. That is per hour, na? Or you can paint something for 49 rupees, which is so cool. I'm definitely coming here.
I think
I'm
need
gonna
to be
take...
an artist.
Really? You can be. You're still very young. But yeah, I think I should... Oh no, even the chalk color. I think chalk colors are also really pretty. These are chalk colors, I think. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to get Jay here. And we are going to do a date night. An art date. Why are you laughing? Don't laugh.
You'll end up taking me only.
No, I'll get Jay. I'll be like, let's go.
My boyfriend will
Bro. Yeah. Say it again. Say it again.
I said you get your boyfriend, I'll get my boyfriend.
See, that's a deal.
है ना?
Yes.
Mine will like to do it. उसके सामने बस फुटबॉल लगाओ.
You're my butter half.
Hey, this is
So cute. This is the
Oopsie.
cheesiest card I could get. Hi, Anna. Hi. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Are? Noko? Cute. Cute. Anyway, so I'll give you guys a little bit of a haul of everything that I got because I did overshop. I got this coloring book. It's for adults and it took me 10 minutes to figure out what colors to get. So
15.
15 minutes, and I ended up getting the same ones that he had suggested the very first minute, which is the colored fine liner pen. So I got these two. Then we obviously have the happy birthday thing. Then I got two really cute bags because I plan on putting some things in here and gifting it to Jay. Then double-sided tape, very important. Balloons. I think we should have... Dude, are we sure? I think we have gotten only 2 balloons. No, this has 6 pieces.
दगड़ूं बगूं नहीं.
But it says it has 6 pieces.
But ठीक है ना.
हाँ.
Then you take
And
2.
then I got...
Then you take 2.
I'll take 2 because I forgot to take more. I also need balloons. And then this bag I got for a bigger gift. And then I also got some rubber bands. Jay hasn't come here, so I got this which says Olive You, and Pranjal also got the same one for her boyfriend. These ribbons because there's this
बाबू सावकाशा इथे काही पडलं तर आपल्याला मिळणार नाही.
some ribbons that we saw, uske liye we needed this. Then these are Pranjal's earrings. And this is the king and queen wala thing that we got for Jay. What is it? It's a crown. Then we got... Oh, we also got this. The curtain.
Eh? Sure? When did we put this? I don't remember taking this.
Okay, it's only 50 rupees. If it would have been expensive, then I would have been like, what? I wasted money. But anyway. Oh, I also got 2 pens because they were really, really cool. So I got
Hey,
these. And this is the bow. Got it for Pranjal. And what else do we have in here? I guess that's it. Those are all the things. And this crab. This cutie crab. Which I'm going to keep for myself. I'm going to give him, but I'm going to keep for myself. You're so cutie. Shut up. I'll punch you. We're going to start blowing up the balloons. And see you in a bit. Oh, we have to order the cake.
Yeah.
The funniest thing is Jay just called, not just, but like he called some time ago. And he already has an idea. So I don't know. I feel it should have been like an extreme surprise for him. But we do this every year. Like we did it last... No, not every year. I think last year we did it. And before that, I think. 11:33 right now. So we are going to go to the other house and decorate it. Sorry we couldn't talk, but oh my god, the decor has turned out so beautiful.
Another cockroach.
Chugga. The decor has turned out so nice. What a fattu. Oh, cute. अजून काय करायचं? तेच काढून घे. पण आवाज. अरे नाही येणार, चल तू. थांब.
की बर्थडे तुझा आहे का माझा आहे?
बर्थडे आहे भावाचा
बर्थडे माझा आहे. पण तू लपली कुठे होतीस?
तिकडे आतमध्ये.
काय बोललं मी तुला? मला माहिती होतं ना तिला. विश्वास होता.
अरे हे थोडासा
पण मम्मी ही शांत बसते ते डेंजर आहे.
अरे किती 8 वाजल्यापासून इथे आहे.
बाय. समोरच्या घरावर गेला?
मम्मी पण वेडी आहे आता त्याच्यासमोर बोलते अरे हर्षला नाही आली का हर्षला नाही आले का नाही
डेकोर कसं आहे डेकोर कसं
एक
आहे
नंबर, एक नंबर.
खोय खेचू
मी सांगत होतो की इकडेच आहे, इकडेच आहे. हे ऐकत नव्हतो. मला स्मेल येत होता तिला.
हा, मी तिकडे होती
बोललो पण मी तुला नाही बोललो तुला की हर्षला तिकडे आहे.
हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू सक्सेसफुली कळालेलं
पण मला माहिती आहे ना तू येणारच ना.
डेकोरेशन बोल तुला कसं आवडलं
एक नंबर.
अजून बोल
आता आय थिंक वी शुड स्टार्ट टेकिंग ऑर्डर्स प्रांजल आहे खूप सुंदर केलं की नाही
ग्रीटिंग कार्ड कुठे आहे?
आ, तुला कसं माहित? आहे.
आहे ते.
सब मिलेगा टाइम
करत होता
अभी अभी टाइम है स्लोली स्लोली अभी तो बर्थडे चालू हुआ है
Analysis दिलं काय वाटतं?
ती पण-
from the family lunch that we had this afternoon, and now I'm decorating my place a little bit so that when he comes over I'm going to gift him everything that I got. I was so happy that I just received his main gift, even though I had paid for like fast delivery, but it did not arrive. And today is his birthday and it just arrived, and it's 5 o'clock right now, but I'm just glad that it arrived, so like no complaints. I have to like, I'm not gonna wrap that up, but I have like cute bags that I bought yesterday. I'm going to put everything in it and then just surprise him. And I don't know if I'm gonna get him a cake because both of us do not eat a lot of sweets. I'll just order something really chotu so that we still have something sweet to eat. But yeah, I'm really excited. Let's go. I was going to get this wrapped, but I think this looks so cool as is. So I'm just going to put this right here. I got this cutest card which says all of you, and I don't know, I thought this is so cute, so I'm just going to fill this out. So I quickly changed into this outfit, and it was a little difficult for me to convince him to come over because he was like, you know what, you should come over and then we'll go get dinner and whatnot. And I was like, yeah, that makes sense, but you should still come over. And it was a bit hectic, and it somehow, and he's gonna be here in another 15 minutes or something like that. So yeah, really excited.
अरे बाप रे, वाव, क्या बात है. थँक यू. बट केक तर काल कापला ना. चल चालू करू.
Maharashtrians, we do auction on our birthdays, wherein it's supposed to be like, you know, कि खूप जास्त यू शुड लिव्ह लॉंगर त्याच्यासाठी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू जयस प्लेस राईट नाव अँड वी आर गोइंग टू डू दॅट. वी आर कॅरिंग ऑल गिफ्ट्स.
औक्षण करायचं.
हां, काय बोलायचं त्याला? सोनं
काप सोन्यासारखा उधळू दे,
हां.
कापसासारखा म्हातारा होऊ दे.
म्हणून सोनं पण लावायचं आणि
आणि हे पण लाव, कापूस पण.
कापूस जय आजी मी फुल एकदम गजरा वगैरे भारी घातलाय. बर्थडे बॉयने जितके एफर्ट्स नाही घेतले तेवढे असं बर्थडे गर्ल वाटतं आपला. मग ओव्हरऑल हाऊ इज युअर बर्थडे? व्हॉट डू यू हॅव टू से?
My birthday was good.
हाऊ इज युअर बर्थडे?
Good.
डूड आहे का?
इरिटेटिंग आहे यार हा.
I can't believe he gave the same reaction. This is your. Come on, come on.
क्या?
कुछ और बोल. अच्छा
त्याला
बोल.
ना ऐसे लिहून दाखवते.
My
बर्थडे वॉज व्हेरी गुड.
my birthday was very good.
आय लव्ह माय बर्थडे.
I love my birthday.
बर्थडे कुठल्या स्कूल मध्ये?
थँक्यू टू माय सिस्टर.
Thank you to my sister.
अरे हे कशाला घेते? थँक्यू टू हर्षला.
जो आपने देखा वो सिर्फ 18+ बच्चों के लिए ही है. सो कृपया करके आप अपने बच्चों के साथ ये ना देखें. क्या?
हाऊ वॉज योर बर्थडे?
अरे इस सवाल भी तुम वही पूछ रहे हो, फिर बार बार जवाब भी वही आएगा ना.
तो तुम बताओ ना.
अच्छा, मेरा बर्थडे पे बहुत स्पेशल फील हुआ मेरे को.
हुआ ना.
हाँ.
मिशन सक्सेसफुल.